Are you okay, buddy? Are you alright? Are you okay?
No. No, it's on the ground. Hurt. It's okay.
Call the people upstairs and tell them. Don't touch him, bro. Don't touch him. Don't. Are you okay, buddy? Are you alright? That must have hurt. God, if you're out there, please save this bird. Jesus, I command you to save this bird. Heal him right now in the name of Jesus Christ. You alright, buddy? In the name of Jesus, I command all the pain to go away. You hit the window, but it's not that bad. Help.